Texas BBQ. And this barbecue place actually has chocolate. And last monthly, it was on the top 10 list. So I'm really excited to go in, and I'm with my brother Landon. And let's do this. So we're at Texas, and we got the stamp. That's really amazing, which I'm really excited about that. But what I'm definitely even more excited about is we got this. We got sausage, pickles, we got brisket. So that's amazing. And we're gonna get the chocolate, and I'll show you the chocolate. Here's the chocolate. So they all have dark chocolate except this. This is not dark chocolate. This is milk chocolate and white chocolate. They're mixed. So that's really exciting. I'm really excited to rate it. But I won't be rating the chocolate. So let me tell you about the brisket. So the brisket, I say it's a 4.75, but my dad and Landon say that it's a 4.8. So we're going to meet that in the middle. So that brisket was a 4.75. So you should definitely check this out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.